My name is Tawanda Collins Mzamwese. I'm the Chief Sustainability Consultant for ToxiConsol Consulting.
My name is Freedom K. Miranda, and I'm a Sustainability Consultant at ToxiConsol.
My name is Pride Bevan Chitu. I'm a Senior Consultant at ToxiConsol Consultants.
We are an organization that focuses on safety, health, environment, and quality management. We work with mining companies, construction companies, and also manufacturing industries.
At ToxiConsol, we offer management systems consultancy. This involves ISO 14001, environmental management systems, this of 2015, quality management systems, ISO 9001 of 2015, and ISO 45001 of 2018.
I work hand in hand with the Managing Consultant Office in terms of arranging the way of doing business.
Our role is to promote sustainable development in industry, protecting the environment, dealing with climate change, but also eliminating workplace injuries. The work that we do it in many countries. Here in Zimbabwe, we work in Europe, United States of America, Asia, trying to help the world to transform from unsustainable practices to green practices. As you know that the world is currently facing many problems, such as climate change, the generation of waste, hazardous chemicals. And we have got a role to play to deal with those problems.
With environmental management systems, we help organizations comply with the Environmental Management Act. We also help them identify their environmental aspects and environmental impact of their activities. When we help companies identify their environmental aspects and impacts, we then help them to manage those aspects.
An environmental impact assessment actually is a systematic way of identifying negative and positive consequences that can be brought by a development project. So here in Zimbabwe, it's a legal requirement for one to carry out an environmental impact assessment if he wants to develop a project. In line with the Environmental Management Act, Section 97.
As ToxiConsol, what we do, we don't only do it for ourselves, but we also do it for the benefit of future generations.
So the quality management principles are customer focus, leadership, evidence-based decision-making, improvement, relationship management. You'll see that when you're operating a business, you need to manage your relationships with your clients.
We have a wide range of projects like dam projects, irrigation schemes, housing projects, infrastructural developments, mining projects, industrial setups. All these projects, there must be an AIA that should be done before they are implemented.
ToxiConsol started in 2013, so we have been in industry for 7 years. We were really inspired by the need to make a change in the world, the need to make companies save costs. We saw that some of our clients, both existing and prospective, were facing issues with regulatory compliance, with environmental laws, facing fines and closures. But also companies were losing money because of being inefficient in their processes.
This helps them with their processes. There's the process approach, plan, do, check, and act. The management system helps organizations develop a system to document their processes and activities, and their standard operating procedures, and to keep records.
We were inspired to assist many companies. Some of them want to export into the European Union. They want to export to Australia. They want to export to America. But to export in these regions, you need to show that you are concerned about the environment. You need to show that you are concerned with quality.
Besides occupational safety and health, ISO 45001 of 2018. We also develop sustainability reports for companies that are listed on the stock exchange in Zimbabwe.
We have got a plethora of services as a ToxiConsol. Our flagship product is the management system guidance. We offer the SHEC management system guidance, safety, health, environment, and quality management, which includes training, auditing, and also technical advice from a stage where a company does not have a management system to a stage where a company is certified.
What we do at ToxiConsol is to promote development for the future. We want sustainable development, and we have the future generations in mind in all of our consulting services.
When we meet a client, we are very much focused on solving the problem of the client. Consultants is about problem solving. So we are so much eager to understand the situation of the client and come up with the relevant solution. We have worked with various companies locally. We've also worked with various companies internationally. I'll give an example in the manufacturing sector. We've been able to reduce the energy consumption of beverage manufacturing companies by 40%.
Our consultant team to carry out the environmental impact assessment is composed of an ecologist who will be responsible for assessing the biodiversity of that environment and ensuring that when the project is implemented, the environment is not affected. We also have the engineer who will be responsible for the initial designs of that project. We have also the social scientists who will be looking at archaeological sites or archaeological sensitive areas. We also have the GIS experts who will be responsible for mapping the environment, coming up with the vegetation maps, as well as mapping the areas of interest that might be of concern.
If you need a consultant who will solve your problems in terms of sustainable development, you need to work with the real consultants. So I'm inviting stakeholders out there, not only in Zimbabwe, but across the world, to come and work with us. We've got tailor-made solutions to their problems.